Little bones. Oh, brother.
Ada, go get under there, please.
Mother! Wait.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Did you want an adventure?
Yeah.
You getting an adventure?
Yeah. I don't know what to say. Oh, that's getting better now. You starting to feel it a little bit? Right?
Nice fire.
This is a very.
You're blocking your camera.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's so good.
Hey, Dad. Yeah. Stick. You feel the heat? Yeah. Well, I can feel it from here. You feel the heat? Yeah.
Nice.
All right.
The weather wizard?
Yeah, the weather wizard agreed to like orchestrate that hailstorm and a little bit of thunder just to make us stop.
Yeah, we're leaving soon. We're waiting just for the sky to be safe. Still thundering a little bit there, but no. Yeah, that's I'll give you some here. At least now we're ahead.
Imagine it was a black moon. I wouldn't be up there.
Slowly, I'll read.
The black moon is like a really expensive high-end canoe.
No. Nice.
Do that.
Walk. There's rock. There's rock. Watch out. Rock there. I think I'm just gonna go sit in the canoe.
Find the spray. Yeah. I was looking for
Sit in the
that car.
canoe and shoot.
Put the fire in the firebox, please, Ada.
Right there.
Put that in the firebox, please. What's your take on this adventure? How is this in terms of adventure?
Out of 2, I'm gonna give it a 12.
Out of 2? Ellie on a ranking of 10. Let's go with 10.
20.
I asked Ellie. Just give Ellie a chance. Ellie, what are your thoughts on this?
23.321 4 2 7 8
Out of
9,
10.
10 11 9 1.
Have you ever been stuck out in a hailstorm in the middle of a wilderness reserve under a tarp
Yeah, right now.
before today?
No. Yeah, totally. Right now. Okay. New experience.
When I heard that first thing, okay, spotted that rock here. Boom.
Good thing.
And then I looked for a spot, like, okay, and I pitched that freaking tarp like as fast as I can. I haven't perfect.
Kids are good though.
Eh?
I mean, the
Oh
kids
yeah,
are
it's
really
good.
good.
Scale of 1 to 10, out of the strongest storm we've ever had here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What would you have rate this storm?
The 10 being the strongest?
Yeah, 10 being the strongest storm you've ever had here.
This would probably be a 6 or a 7.
A 7? Extra frog. Can I do this?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to?
I think they're stuck. You do? Yeah, there's no way out.
Let's figure it out. Don't worry. Listen to the frog and enjoy it.
I'm just gonna back up a little, the sun's in my face. Okay. Oh, look at the fog. I mean, is that the fog?
Mm-hmm.
I see. Look. Oh, the fog. I thought you said the frog. What'd
you swim in this ever?
I don't know.
Look. Wait, I wonder how shallow. Oh, sorry.
Okay, we're waiting here, don't worry.
Keep your hand up.
Wrong way.
No, they're okay.
Oh yeah, we're going this.
Let's go. I don't want to.
We're doing the shortcut.
We'll race ya.
Where's your paddle, mother?
You can paddle over it. If you paddle, you guys will go.
Can I try to paddle this alone?
Yeah.
See how good I can do it. Yeah, I'll try to steer forward.
You gotta pull forward. Pull forward. Stick your paddle in and pull us in that direction. Pick it up. Now plant it in like a shovel, like you're pulling snow. Pull the water towards us. Pick it up, and then put your paddle as far out as you can. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Now pull. You're gonna move the canoe in the direction that you're pulling.
Oh, pretty.
Fucking you off. Mother! Little.
Keep going, guys.
Mother.
Keep going. Keep going.
Video.
They just completely passed us.
It's not over. You guys can paddle.
Insane.
1, 2, 1, 2. I'm doing this. I know. That was the point. 2 canoeing maniacs.
Beautiful. Look at that. The mist is coming off the water. We're back. Perfectly blue sky.